Welcome to the Anglong, and this is Digit Ronghang, and you're watching English news on NN Varta Anglong Northeast. Another updates on Assam Legislative Assembly election 2021. The supporters of BJP parties from Anglong welcome all the candidates of Bharatiya Janata Party along with the Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Mr. Tuliram Ronghang after entered Anglong while returning from Delhi. Let's go on to the few details of Assam Assembly election 2021. BJP picks names for 70 seats in Assam. Original allies get their share. Assam Chief Minister Sir Sarbananda Sonowal will contest the assembly election from Majuli seat, the BJP said today while releasing a list of candidates for 2 phases of 3 phases election. Health Minister Hemantwa Biswa Sharma, widely known as a key BJP strategist for Northeast, will contest from Jalukbari, a seat that he currently holds. Sir Sharma was not meant to contest the election, but the party decided that Mr. Sonowal would not be projected as the chief ministerial candidate, and the BJP announced the names of candidates for 70 seats today. Of the 126 seats in the Assam Legislative Assembly, 47 will go to the polls on March 27 in the first phase. Voting on 39 will be held on April 1 and the second phase, and 40 seats will go to the polls in the third and final phase on April 6. The names for the 70 seats announced today will contest in the first and second phases. The BJP will not field 11 MLAs again. Its originally Assam Gana Parishad AGP allowed the BJP to contest from Brahmapur seat and stopped AGP's founder President Prafulla Kumar Mahanta from contesting from there. The BJP battle team for Assam now includes AGP and the United People's Party Liberal UPPL. The AGP will fight on 26 seats and the UPPL will contest 8 seats. BJP MP Biswajit Doimari will contest from Paneri constituency. This is first election in Northeast after the Congress was ousted from the region. Though the BJP has successfully obtained power in the region, this time it is about retaining it. Another first in this election in Assam is Congress not going solo. It has formed an alliance with former rival Badruddin Ajmal led AIUDF, a smaller regional outfit, Anchalik Gana Morcha AGM, and 3 left parties. Looking on to the Anglong district, here are constituency of the Assam Assembly election and list of 5 constituencies and BJP candidates. Mr. Dorsing Ronghang from 18th Hauragat STLAC, Bidya Singh Inglang from 19th Difu STLAC, number 3 Rup Singh Teron from 20 Baithalangso STLAC, 4 Dr. Numal Momin from 17 Bukajan STLAC is again on the battlefield. Nandita Garlosa is from 16th Haflong STLAC, who is the candidate from BJP. That's all for now. Update on Assam Assembly election 2021. See you soon. Another update. You're watching in NN Varta Anglong Northeast.